Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Max and here on this channel I create educational video tutorials about Magento 2 development and how we can use Magento 2 in order to build e-commerce functionality. In this video I would like to show you how we can start building Magento 2 extensions, and we are going to create a very simple extension or a plugin or a module for Magento 2 application. And during this video, you will experience how you can be a Magento 2 developer and whether it's something you would like to learn more, you would like to understand more, or it's something you would like to just skip and move with some other frameworks or platforms. But from my experience, I'm working with Magento 2 like for 13 years. It's a really great platform and a framework where you can learn lots of interesting stuff and become a professional PHP developer. So in this video, we are going to create a Magento 2 extension, Hello World extension. Also, we will learn what is Magento CLI and how to use this CLI script in order to execute Magento commands. We are going to learn how to check a status of a module, how to enable module in the Magento 2 application, and how to install a module inside your Magento 2 application. I think it's going to be a very interesting tutorial, so let's go ahead and start. Inside Magento 2 project, let's go ahead and open app directory code. And here we can create a vendor directory. As you can see, we have Mage Mastery here and a name of a module. So depending on the purpose of the module, we can name it accordingly. So in our tutorial, I would like to create a new vendor directory called, let's call it Pronco, and name of the module Hello World. This is going to be a root location of all our source code files that are related to our Hello World module. And once we will create necessary files, Magento 2 application will register this Magento 2 extension and will load required PHP classes or XML configurations in order to perform some operations. Let's go ahead and create a first required file called registration.php. Here we need to use a class Magento Framework component registrar, and with the help of this class we can register our component or Magento 2 extension. It requires for us to provide 3 arguments. First argument is a type of our component. It could be module, language package, library package, setup package, and theme package. We're going to create an extension which is a module, and let's use module constant. Second argument is a name of a component, and in our case we need to use vendor name and module name. And finally, location of our source code file. Usually in Magento 2 extension, the location of all source files are located in the root directory of this extension. Alternatively, you could place your files in the src directory inside Hello World and put all your PHP classes there. For this, we would need to update this path and use composer.json and provide information where our source files are located. Second file that needs to be created is under etc directory, and this file name is module.xml. Inside this file, we need to provide configuration and XML node called module with the argument name. And here we again have to provide a name of our package or Magento 2 extension. And with the 2 files we've created, registration.php and module XML, when we will run Magento CLI, it will see the Magento 2 extension in this Magento 2 application. Let's go ahead and open terminal and execute a script. It's Magento CLI script that is responsible for executing different commands. And we are going to execute command bin Magento module semicolon status. This command provides a list of all modules registered within the Magento 2 application. There are two lists of Magento 2 modules. First list is a list of enabled modules, so it's a huge list of all the out-of-box Magento 2 extensions and some third-party extensions, and second list is a list of disabled modules. As we can see, we have Pronko Hello World name of the module. It means two things. First of all, we've successfully created two required files that are necessary for Magento 2 application to see our extension package. And second of all, that our extension is disabled. Let's go ahead and enable this extension by running bin magento module enable command, and let's copy and paste name of the extension, and let's hit enter. Magento 2 application has successfully registered our extension. However, it also requires for us to execute this setup upgrade command, so it will properly register our extension. So let's go ahead and execute bin magento setup upgrade. And as a result, if we will run bin magento module status command, we can see that our module Pronko Hello World has been successfully registered. Moving forward, we can continue adding some functionality or implementation of this Hello World module, like adding interfaces, PHP classes, XML configurations, HTML files, some JavaScript logic or CSS or images. And in this way, you can start implementing functionality inside your Magento 2 extension. And if you would like to learn more about Magento 2 development, please make sure to visit MageMastery website. It's a portal with Magento 2 online courses where you can learn Magento and become a professional Magento 2 developer.